Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Pocket Option account. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, log in to your Pocket Option account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Alternatively, you can find the profile option in the left-hand menu. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down to the bottom. You'll see an option labeled Delete Account. Click on it to proceed. You'll be asked to select a reason for deleting your account. Choose the most relevant option from the drop-down menu. Then, confirm your decision by clicking the appropriate button. After confirming, avoid logging into your account for the next 30 days. Once this period is over, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Pocket Option account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.